Welcome back to the Global Yard, where we explore the most fascinating places and stories from around the world. Today, we're traveling to a country where continents meet, civilizations overlap, and history stretches back more than 11,000 years. Turkey is not just a destination, it's a crossroads of cultures, empires, and incredible mysteries. Let's explore 5 fascinating curiosities that make this country truly unique. Let's begin in Istanbul, the only major city in the world that sits on 2 continents. The Bosphorus Strait divides Europe and Asia, and Istanbul connects both sides. Imagine starting your morning in Europe, crossing a bridge or ferry, and having lunch in Asia, all without leaving the same city. For centuries, this strategic location made Istanbul one of the most important cities in the world. It was once known as Byzantium, later Constantinople, and served as the capital of powerful empires. Few cities can claim such a layered identity. Now let's go underground, literally. In the region of Cappadocia lies Derinkuyu, an ancient underground city, carved deep into volcanic rock. This was not a simple cave, it was a fully functioning underground settlement. It had ventilation shafts, storage rooms, churches, kitchens, and living spaces. It could shelter up to 20,000 people. Massive stone doors were rolled into place to seal off entrances during invasions. Imagine the engineering required thousands of years ago. What would it feel like to live underground for weeks at a time? Next, we travel even further back in time. Göbekli Tepe in southeastern Turkey is the world's oldest known temple complex. It dates back more than 11,000 years, older than Stonehenge and older than the Egyptian pyramids. Massive stone pillars suggest organized religious activity long before agriculture was fully developed. This discovery forced historians to rethink the timeline. What if complex belief systems came before settled farming? Here's something surprising. The original inspiration behind Santa Claus was born in what is now Turkey. Saint Nicholas was born in the ancient city of Myra, near modern-day Demre. He was known for generosity and secret gift-giving. Over time, his story traveled across Europe and evolved into the modern figure of Santa Claus. So next time you think of Santa, remember that his roots trace back to the Mediterranean coast of Turkey. Finally, no visit to Turkey's curiosities would be complete without mentioning Hagia Sophia in Istanbul. Built nearly 1,500 years ago, its massive dome was considered an engineering marvel of its time. It has served as a church, a mosque, a museum, and once again a mosque. It was the largest enclosed space in the world. What makes Hagia Sophia remarkable is how it represents the cultural and religious transitions that shaped the region. Turkey is a country where ancient temples predate history, where underground cities protected communities, and where continents merge. Now we'd like to hear from you. Which of these curiosities surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoy discovering fascinating stories, make sure you subscribe to the Global Yard and turn on notifications. There's always another country, another mystery, and another incredible story waiting for us to explore together.